Hey Charmers! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are so excited because we are going to be unboxing
BoxyLuxe. We are so excited. This is our favorite video to do because we do it so well together. Alright, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's get started,
let's
Charmers.
jump right in. Okay, so the very first item in your June BoxyLuxe are the
PYT mini hair blow dryers. They're so cute. You'll be receiving one of these colors. So either purple, we've got the blush pink, which is my favorite, and then blue and like a really pretty coral.
And it's great because they come with two different attachments, so we're gonna show you which ones they are.
I haven't tested it out yet to see how strong it is. Do you want to test it out?
Yeah,
Let's see, because I feel like PYT always has like the best irons and stuff, and I've tried out one of their blow dryers, but never the mini hair blow dryer, so I'm super excited to see how powerful it is.
So this actually comes with two speed settings, and it's for all hair types. I'm gonna turn it on the first one.
Nice.
And now I'm gonna switch to the second one.
Whoa! Woo! That's strong! Okay,
and it's very hot. It's super lightweight, which is great for on the go and even at home. I struggle like holding a regular hair dryer.
It's too heavy for me.
Yeah, it gets heavy, and then I have a lot of hair, you have a lot of hair. So it's great.
Amazing. So this is more like for like to get like that straight
when you go in with the brush.
And this one's like to diffuse your hair. Like if you have it wet, you put a little bit of mousse, and you could just like you know, clump it up a little bit, and it gives you crimp it up, and it gives you that nice little like moussey, wet looking waves.
Moussey.
Yeah, moussey. You know, because you gotta do mousse with it, and it's super powerful.
Really powerful. Yeah. So we're really excited for you to receive these.
So the next product you will be receiving in your June's BoxyLuxe is this Tartiest PRO Glow palette from Tarte, or
the Tartiest PRO Glow and Blush palette,
or
the BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. So the reason that there's three options is because in the beginning of May, you had the opportunity to choose between a face palette or the BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. So let's just jump right in and talk about the shades. These are really pretty, and we're really excited to show them to you guys.
This palette in particular has two blush shades, two highlighters, and two bronzers, and even one of the bronzers has like a little sheen to it, which is really nice if you want like a glowy kind of look. The palette itself is super pigmented. I am obsessed with it, as you can tell. You can see super pigmented. The blushes are really nice, and this is perfect especially when you like don't want to have one compacted blush, one a bronzer, one a highlighter. Like it's literally all here, and you can use all of this over your eyes as well, which is great.
So it's an all-over face palette, and it is exclusive to Boxycharm right now, so that's very exciting. If you don't receive that palette, you'll be receiving the Tartiest PRO Glow and Blush palette. So let's open it up and take a look. So this one features 4 shimmer blush shades, a shimmer bronze, and a shimmer highlight, which is really pretty for summer. Now it's all about that very like no makeup look, lots of blush. Yeah, super perfect for summer. So
especially blush, I'm a blush girl, I love blush. So.
Same.
So if you didn't receive one of these Tarte face palettes and you chose to receive this palette from Tarte,
the BU Naturally eyeshadow palette,
it's super cute because it has your mix of shimmers and mattes, which is really nice. You can even use the shimmer shades as well for highlight, which is a really good tip. And yeah, all the shades are really warm and neutral, really good now for summer.
And we even have some cool tones peeking through, so it's a good half and half palette. That's what I like to call palettes like this, half and half. All right, so the next item that you'll be receiving in your BoxyLuxe is the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow. This is amazing. This is a night serum. It's actually an AHA resurfacing night serum with hydrating honey, and we cannot stress to you guys enough how important skincare is. So
especially your nightly skincare routine.
Super important.
This is amazing. You can go to sleep with it. You just apply like a light layer, and it's great. It's an awesome serum because it also is meant to hydrate, which is really well, and it has natural honey in it, which, you know, it's very hard to find products that have natural ingredients in it. It doesn't feel, you know, too sticky. It feels super smooth.
It's extremely lightweight.
Yeah, super lightweight. You never want like a super heavy serum. You always want it more lightweight because this is a night serum, so you're probably gonna sleep with it anyways. So it doesn't feel like you have anything on, but it's actually helping your skin.
Absolutely, and serum is super important because that is what really gets down into your skin, and that is what you're supposed to wear before putting on a moisturizer. Your moisturizer acts more as a sealant for your serum because your serum is what's doing the dirty work.
And it actually retails at like $58.
Yeah, that's insane.
Crazy.
That's literally, this product alone is worth more than the box. So
that's crazy.
Very exciting. Okay, so the next item in your June BoxyLuxe is Living Proof. So you will be receiving either the full thickening cream
or the Full Dry Volume Blast.
So this is actually to make fine hair appear more voluminous, and this is really great, very simple to use. All you need is a dime-sized amount. You work it into your hair that's damp, and then you blow dry, and then it's just very like voluminous.
And it's gonna make your hair feel thicker and everything, and that bottle's gonna last forever because you only need just a little bit.
A drop.
So moving on to the Living Proof, this is a Full Dry Volume Blast that some of you charmers might be receiving. So this is to, again, add more volume to your hair. It's easy, quick, because you just spray. So you can section my hair in parts, and you spray 10 inches away, and you kind of just spray it from the roots to the ends, just like Caro's doing. And then kind of like when it drops, then you kind of just like push it up and just volumize your hair, and it smells really, really good. I have some of these products at home, and it always smells super, super good. And the good thing about it is that you get a blow dryer in your box, and you get one of these babies, so it's perfect. All right, charmers, the next product we got for you is the Touch and Soul No Poreblem Prime Essence Primer. This is really exciting because this brand is a K-beauty brand, which is awesome. It has calendula oil and flower extract in it, which is really good for your skin. So what this is gonna do is kind of just lock in into your inside your pores and kind of just give you that seal finish, so then you can apply your makeup and you have like a clean canvas. So what I really like about it is just the applicator itself.
It's very different, and honestly, I feel like you can use this as a primer, but you can also just apply it to a bare face and just, you know, rock a no makeup look.
Yeah, because it'll just like cover up your pores and it looks nice.
Yep.
And Touch and Soul always has the best primers. You guys know from receiving it previously in your box. We know you guys love Touch and Soul, so we had to add another one in there.
The next item you'll be receiving in your June BoxyLuxe is Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss in 2 shade variations. This one is Peach Tea,
and this one is Strawberry Lemonade.
So these are great and very, very buildable. So if you can pass it once for like just a little
nice
pop of color, but if you wanted to intensify it, you can. It's very lightweight. It's perfect for summer. It's honestly perfect year round.
Yeah, and I love that applicator.
And the applicator is really nice, and it smells absolutely delicious.
You can wear it alone. You can wear it on top of a liquid lipstick. You can also do like what I like to do, and I know you like to do it too, put a lip liner on.
Oh yeah.
Put your gloss over and kind of mix it together, and it gives you like a really nice color. And these colors are
yeah, these are really, really pretty. And I know that the gloss trend is like really big right now, so you can even, because of the shades, I think you can like get away with using it as blush because it is so lightweight that it won't feel super sticky. You know, go for the whole glossy lid look.
Oh yeah.
You know, all of these trends are coming in for summer, so you know.
All right, charmers, and next product we got for you guys is the treStiQue. This is the Good Vibes Mascara. I am super excited about this mascara in particular because, guys, it comes with a lash curler, like on it.
Yeah, this is like first of its kind. I don't think this exists
anywhere.
So treStiQue did it first.
Super quick. It's crazy. You just literally curl your lashes and then, oh, here you go, your mascara. And this mascara is good for lifting. It's also good for lengthening and also really good for volume. It's like in a deep true black, so it's gonna really give you that very, very black, you know, mascara.
Striking look.
Yeah. So then for me, like that brings out my eyes. Sometimes I just need mascara. I don't even need eyeshadow, and it just looks really good. So I'm very excited to try this out and see how, you know, it really works, and just always have this in my purse because this is crazy.
That's really cool.
Alrighty, charmers, the next product you may be receiving is this Greengrass. This is a hand and body butter in the fragrance Summer and Nice. It smells amazing, and it comes in this super cute little mason jar. It has fragrances like coconut, cherry, orange, jasmine, lilac, vanilla, so many more. And it smells amazing, and what I like about it is that the consistency isn't like sticky. It's like super, super smooth.
And extremely hydrating.
Because I don't like those very sticky creams. I like to feel like I don't even have anything on and I just smell amazing. And I'm hydrated.
Because the last thing you want is like sticky hands.
Yeah, no.
While you're like doing stuff and then touching your face and then it melts your makeup, and you don't want that.
Yeah, no.
So this is really, really great. Very light, smells great.
And what's good about it is when you run out, you can actually repurpose this and use it as a candle. You can even put like cotton swabs in here. Like
Q-tips. Super cute. Because I love that it's glass. It weighs. It feels
nice.
Very luxurious. Just the packaging itself and the product. So it's very, very, very nice.
Yeah.
And charmers, if you don't receive the body butter, you will be receiving the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. Now, I absolutely love skin mists. You can use it before skincare, after skincare, before makeup, after makeup, in the middle of the day. It's great. And this is infused with a lot of amazing ingredients like black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and Damascena rose.
I like it because I think that setting spray for me makes me feel more hydrated. So like this one, super hydrating, and like it doesn't pump out too much where you don't feel like you're gonna be like, okay, wait, I have like literally just bathed myself. It's like a nice little mist. You know?
You can step into it. It smells really good. And this particular mist is dewy, so it gives you that very like dewy, fresh-faced look.
Perfect for summer.
Yay. Okay, Charmers, so that's all we have for today. We hope that you enjoyed today's unboxing of BoxyLuxe. I'm very excited I feel like we always have like the same outro.
Yeah.
Like we're both very, very excited because every month is different.
I think you guys are gonna love this box. It's an amazing box, great products, new products you guys haven't seen before, so we're really excited.
All right, we hope that you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye, Charmers.
Bye.